Okay, it is Saturday, March 29th, 2009. Sorry, Maddie, you're right. March 28th, 2009. We are recovering from, we are recovering from the Dalhart Blizzard. We got about 8 inches of snow, drifts up to 4 feet. Papa built Madison an igloo in one of our snow drifts. Watch out, Maddie, I'm going to show them our igloo. We can go inside for a little look. Not very big. Maddie brought her animals out here. Digging out, digging out. We're going to go in the backyard and I'm going to show you the deep snow. Joe on the tractor, sorry. Trying to dig out. You can see how deep the snow is. There's Paw. We helped dig out our driveway this morning. See the amount of snow that we got. Hopefully we can get in this back gate. It's not bad back here. You can actually see the ground already. Hold on, walking to the backyard. Oh, we can even get in the back gate. Amazing. I haven't even been back to look. Just through the window. Ooh, this is all melted already. Holy cow. Do you see that snowdrift? That's amazing. It's already melting off the roof. I don't think we'll be coming in our backyard anytime soon. Although, I guess we could come through the house because we can get to the swing set. Holy cow. That is a snowdrift, I'd say. It looks like a big old tidal wave trying to take over our house. Alright, there you have it. Our spring winter storm.